Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start in Settings so you can change exactly what appears. Open Settings, then tap Control Center in the left column. This is where customization lives. Once there, review the top toggle for access within apps. Leave it on if you want Control Center available while using other apps. Make sure you're signed in and on a recent iPad OS release so features match. Now that the panel is open, you're ready to add and remove controls to suit your workflow. Now customize the list. Tap Customize Controls to view included versus more controls. To add an item, tap the plus icon next to a control. To remove one, tap the minus and then remove. Once items are in included, press and hold the 3-line drag handle to move controls up or down. Top positions appear first when you open Control Center. Make deliberate choices. Place volume, brightness, and any frequently used app shortcuts near the top, so you save taps and time throughout the day. Finish by testing. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and confirm your new layout and order. If a control behaves differently, make sure access within apps is set the way you prefer. Turn it off if it interferes with full-screen gestures. If a control disappears or fails to respond, restart the iPad and check Settings General Software Update. Updates often restore stability. If issues persist, remove and re-add the control. Then test again to make sure everything functions as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.